Wow, oh wow, where do we start with this? Absolutely unique, amazing find. It is incredible. The condition, the specification and the mileage. Let's take you around this. It's the BMW 320i X-Drive Luxury Touring Automatic. Beautiful, beautiful Imperial blue metallic with full Dakota leather, Venetian beige. Great combination. £6,875 worth of factory fitted options. It looks beautiful. Fabulous to drive. 2 litre twin powered turbo petrol, 180 brake horsepower, 8-speed automatic. Just look at that colour, absolutely beautiful. Just gleaming away. X-Drive of course is 4-wheel drive. Great colour combination. Electric tailgate. Other great feature on this car, you can just open the top part of the tailgate, just drop a bit of shopping in, or of course the whole tailgate. Absolutely cavernous in there, but just look at the condition. This is almost how the car came in. Totally cherished from brand new. It is beautiful. Look at it, totally unmarked. Of course you've got split folding rear seats, 3-load facility. No partition. And the rear luggage cover. Additional storage under there, locking wheel bolt, and again massive storage under there. The bodywork is absolutely fabulous all the way around. This is June 2014 on a 14 plate with full BMW service history. And we do the videos to show you exactly how nice all our cars are. We have nothing to hide, fully transparent. We believe we have some of the best cars in the country for sale. So before you compare just the price, always compare the quality. All the wheels in beautiful condition, no damage to those. The 18-inch star alloy wheels. Again, just look at the lower of the bodywork. The odd stone chip, that's about it. Just make it authentic. But no major chunks out of it, no damage, no major scuffs, no major dings anywhere. Front parking sensors. Again across the bonnet. All absolutely beautiful. Just glistening away. It's also got the factory electric slide and tilt sunroof. Just look at that interior. Absolutely gorgeous. You would think it was brand new. No damage to the seats, the upholstery, the carpets. Central armrest drops down. Cup holders in there. Lots of space in the back. If you just look at every inch of the carpet, as we mentioned, this is almost how the car came in. Very little valeting required. So it tells you exactly how the last owners kept this vehicle. It's got this beautiful wood trim. Just finishes the car off inside. Black roof rails. Again, we'll just show you a different angle of it. Again, all the trims totally unmarked. All the door edges, the door jambs. One very fastidious owner. Of course, electric windows front and rear. Storage in the door pockets. This one has the optional folding mirrors too. Again, just look under that. Electric seats with driver's memory, sport seats. Again, all in absolutely incredible condition. Front center armrest. USB aux input in there. Stereo CD player. Look at the mileage. 9523. 9523, 2014 car, one owner. Just incredible find in this condition with the specification. Multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, speed limiter, various modes for stereo, onboard computer, all at the fingertips. Multimedia player. Great stereo system on it. Reverse camera with front and rear parking sensors. Putting to reverse, the mirror drops down on the near side curb. Satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone connection, you can make it absolutely perfect how you want it, with all the lights, the climate control, all the settings for the perfect drive and ride. And as you can see, full BMW service history, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2021. Just look at the mileage there. All the green buttons go, everything's all in order. Dual zone climate control. Very spoke suspension adjustments to get the modes exactly perfect. Eco Sport, Comfort, or Sport. And again, just showing on the dashboard which driving position you're in. Keyless start, auto dimming mirror, and the sliding tilt sunroof. Just one touch. Of course, you've got the blind as well. Keep the sun out if you didn't want it coming in. Just a very, very unique car. Great combination. One owner. If you fancy this car, don't think about it too long. These sort of cars, very, very few about. They hardly ever come through our hands. 2 sets of keys, complete book pack. And just list of that engine. Twin power turbo, 180 brake horse, lovely and smooth. We welcome part exchange, great finance, always available direct from ourselves. Check out our online finance calculator and you can apply direct off our website. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. If you fancy this car, why not reserve it? There are many, many customers sadly who decide to just turn up and find the cars being sold. If you want it, reserve it. We have a full deposit guarantee money back. So if you reserve it and you feel when you see the car is not as described, we'll give you a full deposit back, no questions asked. We've never done that yet because we describe our cars absolutely correctly. We make buying and selling cars a simple process, so read about our raving fans reviews and you see why customers come back to us time and time and time again. Multi-award winning dealer specialist cars, we're based in Stoke-on-Trent. Another great feature of this car is a total closure. Hold the button down, all the windows close, sunroof closes, hey presto. And on a very hot day, if you're coming back to your car, you can just simply press the open button when the car's like an oven inside, stand back for a few minutes, let the heat come out, windows open, sunroof. So there we have it. Our magnificent BMW 320i X-Drive luxury touring with 9,500 miles. If you want it, you know what to do. Give us a call, 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.